Hi everyone. So today we are here with a Wahl home cut set of clipper blades. We do our own haircuts. My mother was a cosmetologist, and my whole life I sat there and learned how to cut hair from her. This clipper set my husband has had since way before we were married, so I know it's at least 10 to 15 years old. You get a new set for $20, $30, or you can get a clipper replacement blade. And this is a 2-hole clipper blade set, and it comes with oils, screws, and the new heads. The boys are complaining that it's like biting their neck, and the last time we did haircuts about 2 weeks ago, Trey definitely had some red marks on his neck. So we took it apart, we cleaned it. I always keep this old nail brush. You can use a stiff toothbrush also. But we take it apart every now and then and clean it and just make sure that it is running properly. With the kids in the house and little Bethany gets into the drawer, it may have been dropped. It may just be dull. So to make sure that everybody is happy and that we can still do our haircuts, we're going to go ahead and swap this out, because my guys do not appreciate getting bit, and I have one guy that won't let me cut his hair with the clippers as it is.
Sit right here.
So we always keep this Wahl Total Care. This cleans and lubricates your blades, so you want to make sure that you are oiling and maintaining your blades regularly to avoid getting nipped. This replacement kit comes with oil, new screws, and your 2 blades. So you can definitely feel on these, this lower one has a lot of sharpness to it. And this is a OEM replacement. They're made by Wahl. And I believe, yeah, this is model 1045-100. So it says it fits the basic home kit, premium home kit, and deluxe home kit. This is a basic home kit. So now we're just going to replace this for the guys. It kind of fell off when I took it apart. So I wanted to make sure that we're getting it on correctly. And that looks like it's sticking up. There we go. So I did have it upside down the first time. So you're going to put it the shallow groove side down, because you're actually looking at it upside down when you're working on it. You can put your drop of oil right here to help keep it lubricated. And being that it is brand new, you're going to need that lubrication. It doesn't take much. You see, I just put a couple of drops there. Now, we probably do haircuts anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. Murdoch's hair grows really fast, and he usually ends up getting a trim in between. And we just catch them when we can. That looks better. It was definitely looking crooked before, no matter what I did. And Dad uses these on his whiskers a lot. Instead of doing regular shavings, and then if he really needs a clean shave, he can use this and then his razor afterwards. So that is the replacement of that. You can give it a little spray to make sure that it's clean, and that'll probably help with any lubrication on the blades also, so the kids don't complain about their haircut when they get it done. So that is the replacement blade for the Wahl Clipper set, everybody. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your haircut.